All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 long wheelbase with only 24,000 miles, white with the gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, super nice, and best of all, low price. Front bumper looks pretty good. You have a dent of some sort running like this from here to here, 10 or more inches. Actually, a little bit of a cracking here, 2 little holes, 1, 2. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Your front driver's steel wheel, that looks pretty good. Your tire tread is just over 730 seconds. We're gonna double check that. That's right, just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter here, it's got a little ding, bone. You got a dent here, and another one continuing from it. Let's look at it from this side. And there you go, from there to there. I got a couple, 2 little dings over here. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. A tire tread is over 730 seconds there. All right, you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. AM/FM CD player. AM/FM CD player on it. So like AM/FM stereo system. No CD player. AC controls right down below. It's your backup camera. Boom. Now here we are missing this other section of the cover here. The cover, one half is, the other half is not. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, tire pressure light on. Need some gas, which I'll put in, and then your mileage of 24,990. Looks good. Backup camera I showed. Everything looks good. Coming around. Rear bumper looks good. Doors look pretty good. This one does have a dent here, about 2 to 3 inches. Alright. Doors do swing out all the way. This is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. Does have wheel wells, have a couple of dings on them. This one as well. Alright. This is what one of your doors looks like. Very nice. Got a couple of dents on here. It's got a, on this door, it's got like a dent with like a cracking right there. That's typical of pushing things, and it bangs here, cracks it. I've seen it happen. Here's your passenger side door. Looks good. All right. This quarter has a dent, as you can see from here, running along. All right. Another little dent over here. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel. Your tire tread here. It's just over 730 seconds. Let me double check it. No, actually just under 730 seconds. Under 730 seconds, 630 seconds. This door does have a dent here as well. Boom. And then actually, I think it's got a little tiny hole there. Boom, boom. All right. This damn thing is only about 3 inches. Alright. This looks okay. Over here. What happened here? Here, on this door itself, the handle that opens and closes this thing, as the handle comes back here, is broken right now. I'm opening it through this here, but it needs a handle there. This door looks okay. Here's your side cargo area, what that looks like. Very nice. All right, this front door looks okay. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to this one. Front fender does have a dent, as you can see. 3, 6, about 9 inches there. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. A tire tread for this. is over 1230 seconds. Let me just look at this seat one more time. Thought there was a tear. Yeah, there is a tear right here. All right, so the tear is about 3 inches. That pretty much completes the tour, folks. Lights are working. Car is on. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 long wheelbase with 24,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.